of 2021 we winning. Cause when I make it and I buy all my house and car, I swear me no want to ask you no. Look at them smiling on your face and drink and laugh.
Yo, so me make it out the big and large, dog. All that the bumbo clap, yo, break people.
Reaction.
I'm gonna get a nine on my motherfucking head.
Y'all better subscribe, man. Yo, it's when I can just get up people and make a video from anywhere, any state, any parish, any country. It doesn't matter where you are. Reaction box is back in full effect. Leave a like, leave a comment on this video to see your comment. Right over there next video that I post. We're posting every single day until January the 1st. We'll come back with 3 to 4 to 5 uploads per day. Right now I have a song called Make It by Zerimar. Official music video. Dropped like 2 days ago because I don't know where I'll try to post on the next tomorrow. You see what I'm saying? So, make us see what go on. We don't know if Zerimar always come with a hit song them people. Everything you drop is a hit song. Even for the girls them is a hit song. You see what I'm saying? If it's a reality check, it's a hit song. Always a hit song when it comes on to Zerimar. So leave a like, comment, and make us see what's going on for this right now. And this video may be content for a lot of pause, you understand me? Don't want the video to get black, so make us see what's going on. Run tune! Oh God! Oh God!
Yeah.
Oh God! You see the man I roll up? BMW, mansion. You see what go on? If they just started the quality sell off already, I have to say 40 more to know. I say, we could go on.
Trini, Planet Earth is a funny place. Sure. So me keep me head straight and me see certain face.
The first few words did I put out my mouth now, dog. Planet Earth. Is that what kind of place? Is that what kind of place? I'm like, I always keep the Trinidad thing in them song them in them video and say, Trini, but go on!
Only never win the race. Protect myself in my shell and keep a steady pace.
Sure.
Hey, fake friend can never stop, show themselves. Invite me to them party.
No matter how no try, no matter what no do, we're gonna fight on the out. On can't hide. Fake people, bad mind people, who not support the program. On can't hide. Remember that dog, I'm telling them as I come with that hit song, everything you put out there, people can relate to now. Everything you put out there, we can relate to now. Run somewhere, tune.
Get some hit song, now them a start move different, like them not know some I was artist.
Sure.
Now this a fi me living. I was giving.
Hear that? There's a couple hit song, you know. There's a couple hit song now, them start move different, you know. Now I feel living this, you know. And then they show you triple O side, you know. You see me, I live by that, you know. I feel movement that, you know. You see what I go on? Alright, we have to say 40 more. One thing about the song so far. One thing about it so far. Go on, not doing that in the video today. Not doing that. You see my class. Right, Sean?
Him take me out enough bad situations and I have been there.
Same song.
Like when me did a broke, me just a knock while if a door start open.
You see right now, dog, you see if you're broke right now, you go through something in your life right now, people. I don't want to not stress out to yourself, people. You see me, I say, that's right, let's go and work hard. Hard work pays off. I'm going to show you how hard work pays off. I tell you something, I post every day, I'm going to do it show now. I know I'm consistent every day with it. And you see hard work pay off when it comes down to me. When it comes down to me on YouTube. Consistency. Every day I'm a grind. Remember that? It'll come back again. You see me, I show you that hard work does pay off. So no, I show you that. Just don't give up. Like all I do with them. One must open and the right one I go open. Go on!
No, the whole of 2021 we winning. Cause when I make it and I buy all my house and car, I swear me no want to ask you no. Look at them smiling on your face and drink and laugh.
Yo, so me make it out the big and large, dog. All that on the bumbo like, yo, people, you see, I don't post everything on the internet, in the dog. But there's a few fear people in my life right now. You see when me make it and I buy my house and I carry them, I don't want to see them, I don't know the dog. As much as I have a car right now, but me want to get a big mansion and I have a sports car them. Because right now, me not hide from the world. I have all I can afford. I have afford. You see me, I say? I have all I can afford because that's all I can afford, right? Well, not really, but I have all I can afford. You see me, I show no. But so me make it big out. Me no ask no now, no. Go on!
Wanna try be rub your hand for though. Me no big friend, but that come with too much problem. Rather sit down by myself in my studio.
What me say? That's why I'm glad to reaction. I start doing YouTube for you. You see that? But sure no. Once I can react, once I can relate to a song, it a go hit more to you. The dog say no big friend. That come with a lot of what? Say man just go and studio by himself and build by himself and build him song by himself. Likewise me. Sitting in my room by myself, in my car, by myself. When I say music after people that be carrying the reaction, don't it? You see, no, I still can't do it because some of them real. But you see the fake one them, you're not gonna see them again. No. But go on. Once me can do it by myself, watch it. Me start by myself, I still do it by myself. Nobody never whip with me. Me not nobody never house with me. Sit down by yourself and do it. Work your craft by yourself. Until you find a few real people can stick with you. Alright, go on!
In my day one them, see enough time alone. So now ask me how it feel to be a topic full. Remember when we buy studio, think them where we could use all my dough.
I'm just big up to me day one people to watch a reaction bar, set speed, you know. You see me I say, I big up man like Ryan, you know. You see me I say, you know. Big up man like Sean, you know. Yo, big up man like One Kick, yo, no matter what I know, I think me forget none now, you know. Me used to on stream, I play a game on YouTube, you know, dog. I'm on 10 somebody I watch me, you know. After I tell somebody, cheering up on the game system together, I play the game. Big up on yourself. I'm not there from before man reach, I'm not there from before I reach 1,000 subscribers. And to reach 1,000 subscribers, to be the 50, yo, go on!
Man, I think even black my view. Show no one and nothing for me, make song and become the music artist. Those get a youth investing in the life my chose. Though it feel
the faith clean, the video clean. I like the visuals and everything. See me, I say people. Check out Zerimar. You see me, I say, can you say reaction bar selling over there, so. What let me say, everything him drop is a hit song. And I like that video, I like the tone, yeah. I like everything about it so far. Why y'all thoughts do? Leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe. And if you want to watch this video without me pausing it and giving my opinion, which is the reason why y'all click on the video for. Anyways, it's a reaction from me, right? But y'all can go watch the video for yourself, link down below in the description as usual. Go check it out for yourself without me giving here pausing it and stopping and talking every minute. Because I know it can be a 9, but guess what? Who they are? Earn it!
feel this life on a bed of rose. Remember all my friend, them will keep it real. Never forget none of those.
As we just said, remember all of my friend, them will keep it real. Never go forget none of them there. You see what I say? Fight them hard. Fight them like Queen of the Bob Clock battlefield. Pray this. When me up on the scene, you know, dog, I do reaction with her every day, 4 whole per time, you know. Someone not like this for no reason. Me don't know someone not like me for brother, someone like this me for no reason. Man, I do the same thing on me, I don't know. Man, I do the same thing on me. Pave the way for them to start the tone. You see me, I say, I don't know why someone don't like me, the dog. Yo, I'm sorry, I'm after them from now because we have only put it them. We still make money, we still fuck one bag of girl. Boom, run through.
Only see them in them in a need, never come none of me shows. Prefer day up and corner pose. What beg a shrink and never let no show.
Yeah. Rate it. I'm gonna skip through that. Let's strip through the course, because I get the course already, but people. I like the song, as I'm gonna say, I'm gonna keep saying this over and over. Once I can relate to a song, you see me, I say, it's gonna be like a hit song for you because you can relate to what the artist has said. You see me? Yeah. So, let us see what I go on for the other verse now.
This praise my God because He died for my sins. Now this I feel me living. Thankful to the Most High for all the blessings. That's a knock while the door start open. Now I see you know. Now for them smiling on your face and drink and I laugh and I try. My God because He died for my sins. Yeah.
So people, y'all thoughts on this, go check out Zerimar for yourself again as usual. Make us see what the comments I say about the song here right now as usual. So anyway, good thing I'll start reading a few of the comments them. You see me I say. So thank you for never disappointing music. That's from Ruth Sian. Pick up yourself. This kid is a born talent. Keep up the good work. You must be an old man, but big up yourself. You see me, I say Zerimar, big up yourself. Big up Zerimar, everyone. This tune, lit dog. First time hearing one of your songs. At the lowest point in my life right now, and this hit different. Youth, swear, thanks. As I say, always a hit song from Zerimar. You see me, I say, yo, Grizzly Banks, big up yourself for your comment that. Lyrics always on point with a flow like no other. Only way is up. That's from Big L 868. Big up yourself. People, I'm gonna say, this song them ever lick, them ever connect. Yo, read the next comment. This few songs does always just speak to your soul. As I say, once you can relate to a song, people, it's there for you. You see me, I say, Zerimar, and that's something to do for people again, dog. Never disappoint, bro. Keep it up. Alright, kill it per usual. The justice, this song speaks to me on another level. As I said, once you can relate to a song, Zerimar, keep doing your thing, brother. You see me, I say, dog. I'll give you some more comment them. One more comment, I'll give you one more comment. Anthem. Jah guide and protect you, brother. Big tune. And repeat at the moment. Alright, Signal Savage, big up yourself. Zerimar, keep it up, bro. Yo, people. That's what I said 40 minutes. Go check out the song if you check it out. Link down below in the description. And also in the comment section. Zerimar, Triple O. Big up all on. You see me, I said, I'm sure. Who close I want to say? More Than Music, big up yourself. Triple O Records, big up yourself. Who else today? Silver Visuals, big up yourself too, and Silver Visuals. Who else today? And they're distributed by MarvMent. MarvMent, that's all? Big up yourself. Said Speed. You see me, I say, Trini baby, big up yourself. Anyways, Russian Boss signing out of your piece.